Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. In today's episode of One Concept, 2 minutes, we are diving deep into support vector machines. Dear friends, imagine you are at beach trying to draw a line in the sand to separate two groups of people. On one side, you have got surfers. On the other, you have got swimmers. You want to place this line in such a way that it's as far away from both the groups as possible. So everyone stays neatly divided. This is the core idea behind support vector machine. Finding the best boundary that separates different classes while maximizing the margin between them. Think of it as drawing a sharpest, most reliable line between two groups of data points. Dear friends, support vector machine are powerful supervised learning algorithm used primarily for classification, although they can also be adapted for regression tasks. The goal of a SVM is to find the optimal boundary, that is hyperplane, that separates the data into distinct classes with as much margin as possible. SVM is like the perfect referee at a tennis match, making sure the boundary between the two players is as fair as possible. It might look for the farthest line in the sand to separate the two. But in the end, it's about ensuring the best, most accurate decision with the least amount of ambiguity. Dear friends, support vector machine teaches us that sometimes the best decisions are made by clearly defining boundaries. It's about finding the line that separates but also gives us the most room to make prediction. Whether you are drawing boundaries in the sand or in data, SVM helps ensures that each decision is made with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and clear lessons on AI and machine learning. See you in the next video, dear friends. Happy learning.